124 build update. So today I'm going to show you some bits that we've been doing on this 124 build. You can see the professional vehicle ramp. The other ramp is being taken up at the minute, so we've devised a really cool solution, which is nice and soft on the body because it's tyres. Anyway, so we've got the exhaust system, beautifully TIG welded. This one's had the BMW 6-speed gearbox conversion. This is the 37 box. Arguably not as strong as the 53DZ, but it has a narrower casing so you can actually fit it into a 124. Now, the exciting thing about this is it's actually running an E46 original stock shifter with just a short shift kit in it, where our mount, our adapter plate makes the gearbox sit. It actually sits in the correct location to put the shifter with the stock shift, the shifter in the stock location in the 124, which is really nice. So it means that if you buy our adapter and that box, it'll fit in your 124 with OM603/606 mounts, which is a win-win. Obviously you'll need a custom prop shaft. Now, what else was I going to mention? Oh yeah, have a look at this. So this, as you can see, this is a 320 model. Notice how the central bearing is moved back. Now we normally have to do this ourselves. You'll have seen on people's negative posts saying, "Oh, he's moved the bearing, it's dangerous." Well, this is how Mercedes actually do it. They exactly the same way as I did by the same amount. They just have some little fixing tabs here, and it just moves that central bearing back. And that's how they do it from the factory. So if you read anything about that being dangerous, that is actually how they do it. So whatever. What else we've done? Big radiator, which we're doing all the 124 builds, custom intercooler build, hard pipes. This one's had a few mechanical jobs done, lower control arms, new springs, all new brake lines, because the old ones were corroded. Customer's running his standard diff. He's going to upgrade that at some point, so we'll rebuild that at some point. But all the subframe's been powder coated, which looks really nice. The original fuel pumps have yet to come out. They're the original steel one, petrol ones still. But yeah, it's nicely rebushed. I think it's going to be a really nice build when it's done. Still a fair bit to do. We've got some wiring, some other bits and pieces. Do you want to see the engine bay? Let's bring her down. These ramps are never fast, so let me fill this time with interesting information. Did you know the W124 estates mainly had SLS suspension, which is hateful, and hopefully we'll be removing it from this car. That was the interesting information for the day. Look at this interior. Beautiful, beautiful leather. And there you can see the shifter sits in the stock location, and you can see the shift gaiter there. On this one, because it's the BMW shifter, it doesn't need like any kind of adapter plate. So no polyurethane sealant, which some people think is caulking. Yeah. Oh, we got some billet bits. We've got the old billet anti-jerk pump on there. What else have we got? Oh, look at that. We've got the small water pump pulley on there. The S200 billet. Custom manifold. 40mm high pressure wastegate. And a powder coated matte black rocker cover. It's going to be nice when it's finished. 124 update for the day. Thank you.